Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jumbo. My bad.
Welcome back to our family channel and our crew, of course. We are in Sam, as you guys can see. And we just trying to get some stuff first, and then we gotta come back and get some other stuff. I know I need paper towel. For Riri. Huh? She asking what else is there?
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind.
Riri say she tired. Okay. So plates, napkins, wipes, water. Alright, I guess we can walk up. Buy the drinks, huh? Yeah.
It's me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it.
I know I didn't see. I didn't know they had it. Huh? Yeah, I didn't know they had tomato soup here. It was just on her list. No. And I ain't gonna eat no blue plate. So I just do that Hellman's. It's right there. Alright. Ketchup. Alright, these here. Now I just gotta get his Pringles.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego.
Alrighty, y'all, we done made it into Walmart. I'm gonna get me some blueberries. I got my strawberries. Jordan is over there. You think they're gonna fall right here? They shouldn't, huh? No. Go over here. I think I get my lettuce and tomato. I gotta go over there. We got, I don't know, Philip might want some watermelon. I'll get these. I'll just put them down here, the rest of the food.
Don't you have to get more stuff? You can keep it up there. It's not bothering you.
Yeah, but I got watermelon too.
It's not bothering you.
Watermelon, blueberries. Just get, no, I need a 10-pound bag of potatoes. I know it'll be cheaper to get a pineapple and cut it, but I don't feel like cutting no pineapples right now, to be honest. What's today's date? Yeah, I don't feel like cutting them the pineapples right now. Y'all know I usually get a whole pineapple and cut it, but I want fruit, but I don't feel like cutting them a pineapple. And then of late, their pineapples haven't been as sweet. Cucumber 2 round. Can you get me 2 cucumbers from over there, please? Just put them in a bag for me.
You don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it.
Leaving out of Walmart. I know y'all love to see Groceries, but I didn't do a full, not a full walkthrough. I didn't do a full walkthrough, but I do have the first part at Sam's, and I'm just gonna combine the Sam's walkthrough with the grocery haul, and it's just gonna all go on one video. And the next time I gotta go out to the store, I'll just do a full walkthrough for you guys there. Just put the drinks in first, really. Yeah. So yeah. But we'll see you guys once we get home and I get all this stuff unpacked, and see y'all then. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did do a full video on our main channel, Alicia's Southern Crew. I showed y'all all the details, the prices that I did remember and know. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, go over and check it out. I will leave the link in the description box below. Y'all have a blessed day. Love you guys. See y'all later.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud?